Alright, I'm going to show you how you can save a voicemail as an audio file on your iPhone. First, go to the Phone app, then go to the Voicemail tab down here. Or, if you're using the unified layout and you don't have that dedicated voicemail tab, you'll tap the Filter button up in the top right corner first, and from there, go to Voicemail. Now, I'll pick a voicemail I want to save as an audio file. And once you have the voicemail open on your phone, we're going to tap this little Share button, the arrow pointing upward. From here, we can choose how and where we want to save the file. You could AirDrop it to a different device like an iPad or computer, save it to Google Drive, and if you scroll this list to the side, there's a whole lot of other options here too. The exact apps that you can send it to depend on what you have installed on your phone, of course. But if you just want it saved directly on your phone's internal storage, you can use the Save to Files option. It'll open the Files app where you can choose a folder where the audio file goes. I've got one here called My Files, so I'll pick that folder and save the voicemail there. Now, whenever you want to find that file again, just go to the Files app, and once I'm in the Files app, on the Recents page, it'll already show the voicemail file right there. Or, if you're browsing manually, you can go to your iPhone's local storage, then find your folder, and that voicemail will be stored in an audio format exactly where you saved it. So, that is how you save a voicemail as an audio file. That way, you'll always have a permanent copy and never lose it, even if you clear your voicemail inbox. I hope this video helped. If it did, click that like button down there to let me know, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, see you next time.